If you're trying to do every part of your real estate deals by yourself, you're going to burn out or mess up something critical. Every successful investor has one thing in common: a solid team behind them. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly who you need on your team, how to find them, and how to make sure they don't cost you money. They make you money. So stick around to the end because I'll also share the one hire that saved me the most time and prevented the most mistakes. Hi, I'm Justin Brown, mortgage pro, real estate investor, and I've been doing this a very long time. So here's exactly what you need to know. If you're analyzing deals, buying properties, swinging a hammer, managing tenants, pulling permits, doing paperwork, you're not building a business, you're building a job. But when you build a team the right way, every deal becomes easier, faster, and more profitable. So let's break down exactly who you need and how to find them. One, a lender. Whether you're using conventional, FHA, hard money, private money, DSCR loans, your lender could make or break your deal. You need to find one who understands investment property strategy, not just first-time home buyers. One that can help you actually run your numbers, give you estimated payments, closing costs, and be ready to go on the closing timeframes you need to make the deals work and make the deals happen. Here's how to find them. You can go to investor meetups and ask other investors who they're using. You could reach out to local mortgage brokers who specialize in investment loans, or you could reach out to us. So next, aside from the lending side, obviously you need a good contractor. This is huge. Bad contractors will eat your profits. You could start by getting referrals from other investors, other realtors. You're going to want to check their licensing and always get multiple bids. Always get a full scope of work of where they break down every part of the job with the costs and details of everything that's going to be done. The more details in that scope of work, the better. Never close on a deal without one. Next, you're going to need your property manager. If you're holding rentals, your property manager is the difference between cash flow and chaos. They handle leasing, maintenance, tenant issues, you name it. You need to interview at least 3, and you need to make sure you're buying in an area that has a good chunk of ones to pick from. Because if there's only 2 or 3 in the area, you're going to be stuck and regretting it. Make sure to ask for referrals, check how they screen tenants and handle repairs, and actually call the referrals to ask for feedback. And then you got your realtor or wholesaler. Even if you find deals yourself, it helps to have someone consistently bringing you off-market leads or to help you with comps. Find someone who works with investors, not just retail buyers. And once you start growing, here's the next layers of your team. A CPA who understands real estate tax strategy, write-offs, depreciation, cost segregation. A bookkeeper to track all the property income and expense and reports. I personally use a bookkeeper and software called Baseline. I love it. Check it out. There's title and escrow. You're going to need a company that understands investor deals, double closings, creative finance, an insurance agent that can properly cover flips, rentals, and builder's risk policies, which is what you're going to need when you're renovating a property. And these aren't optional. They protect your deals and keep your business running smoothly. Here's the biggest game changer I wish I did sooner: a project manager or a deal coordinator. Once you're doing multiple projects, having someone manage timelines, contractors, permits, inspections, and communications saves hours every day and keeps your projects moving. The bigger your rental portfolio gets, even if you have property managers, I have somebody that just manages the property managers to make sure everything's up and moving smoothly. If you're serious about scaling, this one role is a force multiplier. So remember, if you want to do this long term, build your team early. If you try to do it all yourself, you're going to hit a ceiling and burn out fast. So now you know how to build a real estate dream team: contractors, lenders, managers, and more. In the next video, I'm going to break down exactly how to structure partnerships the right way so you can split deals, raise capital, and grow faster without giving away control or getting burned. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in part 5.